United Kulakat Train. Alright. Force. Ice Peak, yeah. Jonathan Nicolas, Ice Peak. 180. Melchor, 180. Slider. Pinilit ni Taylor. Oh, yeah! Oh, so high. Okay. Nice out to manual. So, salamat sa make this event possible. So, team si RG ng Team Pixie. So, yung mga old school, Team Kulangot. Yeah, si Wilcho na nag-ilo kaya na back jump, nag-winding. Si RG na nag-live ng van. Sa mga financial support din, salamat. Sa sunset ba to? Sira. Oy! Nice upgrade! Nice! Ice Peak. Nice. Ice Peak. Okay, si Mark. Marcus will be setting up on the handrail. Handrail. Yan, handrail. Dapat lang na rin si Mark! Susukin sa handrail! Parang nakawak yan! Madulas yan! Yes. Okay. April. So, susubukan na kanina. Nakita tayo. D-ball to manual out. Nice. 180 out. So difficult. Okay, si Mark mag-April. April. Oy! Chicken! Reverse, reverse! Reverse! Reverse pa yan, oh! Oh! Sinipat mo na. This fish. Okay. April. Street rider. Riding for enemy bike. Yan. Team enemy bike yan. Enemy bikes ko, brand ng BMX. Local, Filipino, so support local. Oh! 50-50 down!